Hi guys, Sanbonani. My name is Nontobeko Zulu from Ubuhle Bentombi Beauty channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I just wanted to show you how I wash and sterilize my makeup sponges using microwave and sunlight bar. Okay. So I'm gonna dip my sponges in just warm water, and then I am going to use my sunlight bar today, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around, wrap my sunlight bar on my sponges until I feel like the soap is enough. Okay, then I'm gonna put the container in the microwave and set the heating time to 5 minutes because my heat intensity of my microwave is very low. So if the heat intensity of your microwave is too high, you can just put it to 3 minutes. And then after removing the sponges, this was the dirty water after removing. And then after that, you just rinse your sponges with running water. I didn't show that because my tap is outside. So you just rinse with running water, preferably warm water at first, and then you rinse it with running water, tap water, warm or just cold water. But first rinse must be warm water, and then your water must be very clean in such a way that when you squeeze them, they are this clean. You just saw how clean my water was. So your water must be clean. You rinse thoroughly until the water comes out clean. And then you just let your sponges stand. And then you can just let your sponges dry, and then you keep it for until further use. And then that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.